Hi guys, welcome back. This is Adam Shah. We will talk about BTC. What is the next here in BTC? Why he drop? Why he going down BTC right now? So we will explain everything so first to last. First of all, what is exactly is going on? You can read out this one news. You can go here Bitcoin.com news. You can go there and check it out. What is this? This is 7.16 and early September dropped uh, NFT, right? So NFT news is it will be 82.31 billion. It's going to down. Read out all of these situations why he dropped 7.69%. So one thing, this is a good. And if I see here in chart what is behavior in the chart pattern, this is exactly flag here. He already break the last time, he already break here, right? He already break here. And but the last situations, who is in a keeper buying, who has a buying right now, they have to hold the position still 47,800. This is the trend line here to support, and we can see the market at 54,700, 900, and then we can drop again. Why? Because is the flag is bullish, but the still his keep resistance level is 64,900. There is a resistance level, but the retesting this resistance level, keep he yesterday break that 54,300 level already. If it's not break, but we can hope for a buying, but it already break out, but we can wait for right now 47 level. If till we can some point we can buy from the 47 level, and then little bit push back and down, and we can other one we can see the upside if it's not break. But the last hope is here. This is the last hope here. 47,300, 47 level. This is our last hope here. Guys, we already posted the last video here. You can go and check it out. What is actually going there, because that time we captured this one moment, and now it is the next downside in the market. So that's why he's crashing right now. Why is the reason is why you can see, you can read out the news, then you can read out and check it out why this, you can see this is totally it's crashing, right? So right now what we need to do, we have to do, we can buy from the level is 47,500. We can buy from here. This is last hope for buyers. And seller, you have to sell from 54,300, 400 level. We have to sell from here, and other one 64,900 we have to sell from here. 2 points we have to sell. And if you want to buy, it's only for 47 level, 47,500 we have to buy from here. Exactly. And then see, this is pattern is going to this is still have a bullish, but if is if is respect 47, 47,300, if is respect this trend line, it is okay, it is fine for buyers. If is not respect, if it's breakout 47 level, guys, it's totally will crash. We have a next target 38,900 downside in BTC. 38,900, this is the next target downside in BTC. I hope you like our videos and subscribe on channel, and like and share also someone with your friend, guys. So you have to follow here also, because this is the news of best for the crypto person. And go and check it out. NFT, what is the next step in NFT, and next week also, right? So I hope so many people is buying trade. So many people have a buying trade in a BTC, but you have a last hope to be 47, guys. If it's breakout 47, no one can stop the BTC. We can see the downside fall 39, 38, 900. This is the end of day. And last is a flag, but it is still not break the flag. Flag is the bullish, till not break. And I hope we can see if is we can see if it's not, if it's break out this one also, we can see the upside, right? So this is the two sign here on this situations 47 level, 47,500, 47 level. So one point you can buy from 47,500, and other one you can buy from 46. You can buy from 47 also. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you like our videos. Make sure subscribe and like also our channel, and you can go with our Twitter. We posted lots of signals there. If you like our posted in video, you can go there. And so make sure you can go with Twitter and check it out, our everything here what we posted here. You can go with Twitter. This is the we are our Twitter here, and then subscribe also here. Thank you so much. See you in next video.